Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me today for this confession time because, well, oops, I did it again. So welcome if you are new here. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you like shopping, luxury handbags, affordable outfits, fashion and all the fun stuff we might enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below. And if you consider yourself a shopaholic like me, please give a like to that video so I'm not alone. So before I start confessing about my shopping addiction, let me do something that I feel good and productive, which is sharing my outfit of the day and hopefully inspiring you. So I'm wearing today a very glittery top. It's like a kind of oversized but cropped sequin top from H&M from a while ago, and I wear this to balance it out with wide leg, high-waisted black pants from Zara and some boots. So I think that's the way to actually make the sequins work for you for every day. So that was a quick outfit of the day, and now I think I have to admit that I have a shopping problem. So we have that little, let's excuse myself, that is a little box. It's a little box from Saint Laurent, and that happened unexpectedly in Milan, which was one of my stopovers, which was not really planned. So I was in Milan and Manchester without planning recently. So I went into Milan to see the cathedral and then have a look on shops around. And actually I was late enough that the only store that I walked in was YSL. But apparently very productive, I am very productive. I can have 5 minutes and I already spent like €1,000. So let me show you the bag maybe first before I talk too much. So so here we have the tiny box, and then we have a tiny bag. Well, it's not that tiny, I guess. And when you see the bag, then you will understand why I just had to buy it. So this is the beauty, the very pink, beautiful evening bag. Well, it can be for every day. It's not that big, but it more looks like a clutch. So this is called Wallet on a Chain, and there is a chain inside it. So we have the chain. So it comes with this chain, which is not very big in a way, like it's not a very thick, chunky chain, but it's heavy and like substantial, that you feel like the quality of the bag. I don't know why. I mean, maybe it makes sense that we always feel the bag is better quality when the chain is heavy. Let me explain why I actually got it. So I walked into that Saint Laurent without any plan of purchasing anything, and while I just walked in, a lady, a sales associate, she was having this bag in her hand, and she was putting it away. I think maybe someone was looking at whatever. She was having it and she was trying to put it away. I was like, oh, may I have a look on it? And she gave me that bag to have a look and try, and I can put some, clips here while I was trying it. And I love color. And there is really the deficit of color for bags now, except Chanel and Hermes, but that's out of question for me. And I love YSL, and when I saw that color, I could not. And also another thing which really was a very big decision-making point, it was the price, because it was €895. So it's not extremely expensive, and I actually thought it was that wallet on a chain that this was 500 something euro, but it was not this one. This is like a proper bag, even though it's wallet on a chain. It has like, that bottom is relatively wide. I don't know how much it would be, maybe 3 to 5 centimeters. And when we open it, it has this one pocket here, and it has a zip pocket here. In that here are the booklets, so I don't know what you can actually put in that zipped pocket, and it has the card slots here. So as this is called wallet on a chain, of course it has the card slots, And also because you can limit, like you don't have to take your wallet or any card holder with you when you have that tiny bag, so you basically can pack your phone and maybe a lipstick and keys, and then you can go. And that chain is also, you can remove it, so it has those hooks here, and you can remove the chain if you don't want to use it, if you want to use it as a clutch. Of course you can put it inside, but once you put it inside there is not much probably space left for something else. So because of the price and because of the colors, and again, that lady told me that they have 2 of these bags, and she was checking in front of me, and there was just very few available in the whole Europe. So I was again like in that, you know, situation. Okay, I have to buy it, I have to buy it. And you know, they were closing the store also, and she was so kind and polite that she didn't rush me. She was waiting, she was, it's okay, it's okay. I was like, you know, calling my boyfriend and like trying to make a decision, and I was apologizing her that I'm taking their time and I'm not even sure if I buy the bag. And she was, no, that's okay, that's okay. You know, they were so patient and so nice, which I really appreciate. Like, you know, these people, they want to go home, of course. Eventually that was not the reason why I bought the bag, obviously, but I really wanted, but I felt like, you know, this guilty feeling that I already bought a few things earlier, and maybe I should not do that. Well, I could afford it, and it was so beautiful. I mean, it is so beautiful, and the color is definitely my vibe. I love the colors, and the price is not extremely high, and as YSL prices are going up these days, so I think it's a very good idea. So yeah, that was really impulse purchase, but I'm really happy. I love this color, and I can't wait to wear this bag. And as you know me already, maybe I will wear it every day. Of course, it's an everyday bag for me. Pretty much all the bags that I buy, they are everyday bags for me. I don't really look at this like, oh, this is not appropriate or whatever. I will style a bag the way that it will fit to my everyday life. This is a tiny bag. I will do what fits inside to just give both of us an overview what we can actually do with this bag. I have my iPhone, which is the big one, the Pro Max, but I'm using it to film it, so I cannot put it inside here, and I think it would fill up the space pretty much. But if we open the bag, it opens quite a bit, so probably you can fit something else. But I have here, I have another phone, which is this iPhone SE, which is size of the previous iPhone 8 and iPhone 7. So it can go in here. I have my Louis Vuitton wallet or / card holder, which also can fit. So you can put your card holder and your phone here. And then I have some space here. I'm not sure if this can make there. Well, this will not make with that big card holder, because that's relatively big for a card holder. But okay, let's keep that one. We can still fit a lipstick in here. Yeah, so we have a lipstick and a card holder and phone, and it will close, no problem, and it doesn't look weird or bulky or like bulging out. So you can fit actually not only wallets there, and the bottom is expanding, so I think it's possible to maybe rearrange and fit some more stuff. If I take that card holder, then for sure the keys will go inside with no problem. And then you can still, there is a lipstick here, and then you can probably put something on top of the bag also. So, and now of course it closes even nicer. So this is my latest addition to my YSL family. So there are 2 of those here, and that's the first YSL baby. And I really think if you consider YSL, you should start buying it, because we had the price increase recently, and in some bags it's quite substantial. I was actually looking at the medium Lulu bag. I saw it on somebody, and I was, oh, that actually looks very nice as a like kind of running around the city bag. And I was looking at it once, and I think the price was 1,790 euro. And guess what? Now it's nearly 2,000, like 1,990 euro. So 200 euro, like, you know, overnight it went up. Of course, it's not a increase like Chanel or Louis Vuitton is doing in, you know, several hundreds or even $1,000 of dollars or euro, but still it hurts. That's all what I want to share and confess today. Yes, I have an addiction, I have a shopping problem, I am fully aware of it and I enjoy my addiction. Let me know if you are into wallets on chain or you are against them. I actually was against them until I saw this one. So thank you for watching, thank you for spending some time with me. If you enjoyed, please consider giving a like or leaving me a comment. And until next time, take care. Bye.